Yo, what's good guys, producer Mykah here, and today we're gonna be making a beat like London. So I'm sure you've heard this tag. London. Yep, he made an amazing song for Broom titled Casanova. So we're gonna be using that song as a reference to what we're gonna be making, and without wasting time guys, let's go right into our DAW so we make a London type of beat. Let's go. All right guys, so I've used Audimi to convert the vocals, and this song is, I'm sure most of you must have not heard this song, but it's an amazing production by London. So quickly I'm just gonna drag in the vocals. So the tempo of the song is 118, so I'm just gonna drag my tempo to 118. So I'm just gonna loop a point where it was sounding nice, and we go from there. And I found this nice guitar loop. London kind of beat has the melodies are kind of drowned in effects like that. So I'm just gonna quickly just drag in the guitar. Yep. All right, so I have the guitar loop, so I'm just gonna bring it down a little bit, and let's just hear what it sounds like. Yeah, so something like this. I think this was just playing all through the song, so I'm just gonna stretch it, put it all through the whole song. Yeah. So send my vocal to the mixer, give it some EQ. Then I'm also gonna give it 4-plate reverb, so it has some nice reverb. Yeah, so basically this is what we have. Then the next thing I'm just gonna bring in is the drums. So we had some drums, some muted guitar, and a bass, and that's basically what was playing all through the whole vibe. So I'm just gonna bring in the bass. And for the bass, I'm gonna be using Morphine. It has that kind of bass that was used. So I'm just gonna bring in Morphine. Where's Morphine? Just bring in Morphine and go over to the bass section. And we're gonna be using this second bass. It's a very thick, it sounds really heavy. Yep, this bass. So let's create our bass pattern, and let's put it just a 2-note bass. Just 2-note bass, and that's all that was played, man. All right, so I'm just gonna go down here. Yeah, so I think something like this. Then yeah, so something like that. So yeah, then I'm just gonna layer this with I'm gonna layer it with an electric piano. So I'm gonna be using the Lounge Lizard, and let's go with just a simple 2-chord progression, and the chords are chords you not hear on a normal day. So let's create our next pattern called this EP. We create that chord. Let's see. Yeah, so let's just drop it. Then G, we go to have this. So I'm just gonna save this. Yeah, so the chord is just something like this. Some kind of weird sounding chord. Yeah, I love this ethereal. So I'm just gonna copy the same chord, and let's call these chords. I'm just gonna paste it so we have something like this. Yeah. So I'm just gonna bring in the drums. Yeah, so I'm just gonna create the drums on one pattern, then I'm just gonna split it. So let's call this drums a steady kick. A steady groovy kick. So I'm gonna layer the kicks together, so it gives it punch. But I'm just gonna bring this down a little bit. Yeah. So then the hat, so I have something like this. Yeah, so it's just something like this groovy vibe basically. Yeah. Yeah, so something like this. So just Yeah, so I think this kick is on loop. Yeah. So I'm just gonna go to my piano roll, just increase the velocity. So it hits really hard. And the next is just our shakers. So I'm just gonna bring in the shakers. So with our shakers, the whole vibe is already a vibe already. Let's go with this. But it's gonna just be very, very low. So So yeah, the vocals at this point started misbehaving, the conversion didn't really go well. Yeah, you can hear the vocals not really sounding nice. So that's why I'm just using, just looping this part. So the next thing that came in was just some guitar. Just baby, give me palmito. Say I get the money. Yep, so we have act up. So I'm just gonna change the articulation over here and just try to get. Yep, so we have this muted guitar. So let's create our pattern. Yeah, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna send it over to my mixer and just give it some nice effects. So we have it sounds really nice. Let's bring down the reverb a little bit. And so I'm just gonna add in iron pusher just to make the beat, really, really heavy. So yeah. Yeah, so yeah, so I just love iron pusher, man. Iron pusher is amazing. Yeah, so I think the whole vibe started with this bass. So I don't know whether the drum started, but let's put in the chords also. Keep them no man, tie body bandino. And give me dance, baby, give me palmito. Okay, so I think the muted started. The muted, let me just start the muted. Yeah, so I think we have a vibe. This is basically all that was playing all through the whole song. Let's see. Keep them no man, tie body bandino. And give me dance, baby. Yeah, so we'll just stop it here. So you guys get the idea. You could go listen to this song and let me know what you think. So let's just listen from the top, and I think this is amazing. so guys, you can see that to make any beat basically is very easy. Big shout out to London. You know, I tried creating that melody, but it was quite difficult, so I just had to use the exact loop that was used in the song and just, you know, layer my own chords on top and the bass and everything. I hope you guys learned something from this. If you did, give me a like, give me a subscribe, and if you're here to join the Patreon, the link to join it is in the description of this video. Go join the Patreon for amazing stuff. See you guys in the next video. Peace.